In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instantly AI to high-level CRM without Zapier 5 minutes. We're going to link Instantly to high-level using an automation platform like Make. This lets you move leads, replies, and statuses between the two tools automatically without juggling multiple zaps or paying for extra connectors. First, head to an automation platform such as Make and create a free account if you don't have one. Once you're in, start a new scenario. Think of a scenario as a simple workflow. Something happens in instantly, and that action creates a result in high level. Give it a clear name so you and your team always know what it does later. Next, add your apps, search for instantly and high level inside the scenario builder, and add both modules. When you're prompted to connect, authenticate each app with the secure sign in provided by the platform. Use a dedicated workspace or a test environment if you have one, and keep credentials secure. Naming each connection clearly, like instantly main and high level sales, helps avoid confusion down the road. Now define your trigger and action. On the instantly side, pick the event that should start the workflow, such as when a lead replies or when a lead is marked as interested. On the high level side, choose the outcome you want, creating or updating a contact, adding that contact to a specific campaign, or creating a task for your team. If available, add a simple filter so only the right leads move forward, like only those with the interested status. With the structure set, map your fields, match email to email, first name and last name if you have them, and any tags or statuses to the appropriate fields in high level. If instantly stores a full name, split it into first and last during mapping if your high level setup requires that. Be careful not to overwrite valuable contact records, use update if exists wherever possible, and add default values for fields that might be blank. Normalize phone numbers and dates so high level accepts them cleanly. Finally, put it to work with practical automation. Send interested leads straight into a specific high level campaign to trigger nurturing. Create tasks automatically when replies come in so your team follows up fast. Add a note that includes the instantly campaign name or status for context. Run a quick test with one lead, review the result inside high level, then turn the scenario on. That's it. Simple, reliable, and no Zapier needed. Hit save, turn it on, and enjoy a smooth connection between instantly and high level.